Welcome to my channel Unboxing Guru. Today we're diving into the details of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, a cutting-edge addition to Bose's impressive lineup. Let's take a closer look at what's in the box and break down the specs for you. What's in the box? Two Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. These are your main audio devices designed for a comfortable, open-ear listening experience. USB-C A to C cable, 12 inches, for charging the case and earbuds, featuring the latest USB-C technology. Quick start guide. Easy instructions to get you up and running with your new earbuds. Dimensions and weight. Earbuds measuring 1.9 centimeters in height, 1.7 centimeters in width, and 2.7 centimeters in depth. These earbuds are compact and designed to fit comfortably in your ears. Charging case. At 4.2 centimeters high, 6.5 centimeters wide, and 2.6 centimeters deep, the case is designed to be portable and easy to carry. USB cable. The included cable is 30.5 centimeters long, which offers flexibility in charging. Materials: earbuds made from flexible silicone and plastic, with a metallic finish and gold plating. They are sweat and water resistant with an IPX4 rating, meaning they can handle splashes and sweat without issue. Case, constructed from hard plastic, providing durability and protection for your earbuds. Battery life. You can enjoy up to 7.5 hours of playtime on a single charge. Earbud charge time. Takes up to 1 hour to fully charge the earbuds. Charging case charge time. The case takes up to 3 hours to fully charge. Quick charge time. A quick 10-minute charge gives you up to 2 hours of playtime, ideal for those on the go. Type. Both the earbuds and the case use lithium-ion batteries for reliable power. Microphone. 4 mics. Each earbud is equipped with 2 microphones to ensure clear voice capture for calls and voice commands. Bluetooth range. Up to 9 meters, giving you a decent wireless range. Bluetooth version 5.3, the latest version for improved connectivity and efficiency. Pricing? Price $25,900. Currency not specified, but assumed to be in local currency, like Indian rupees. This price point reflects the high-end technology and quality Bose is known for. And that wraps up our unboxing and review of the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and unboxings. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.